Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset EarTrumpet on Windows 11 in 2026. Let's get started. If EarTrumpet isn't working properly, your audio settings are acting strangely, or you simply want to restore the app to its default settings, resetting EarTrumpet may solve the problem. First, open the Windows Settings app. Click on Apps, then select Installed Apps. Scroll down until you find EarTrumpet. Click the three-dot menu next to it, then choose Advanced Options. On the Advanced Options page, scroll down until you see the Reset section. Before resetting, you can click Repair to let Windows fix the app without removing its data. If the issue continues, click the Reset button. A confirmation message will appear. Click Reset again to continue. Windows will reset EarTrumpet and restore it to its default settings. This may remove the app's saved preferences and custom settings. Once the reset process is complete, close the Settings app and launch EarTrumpet again from the Start menu or the System tray. If you're still having audio problems after resetting EarTrumpet, open Windows Settings, go to System, then Sound, and open Volume Mixer. Scroll to the bottom and click Reset to restore the default app volume and audio device preferences. Your EarTrumpet app should now be back to its default state and ready to use. That's how to reset EarTrumpet on Windows 11 in 2026. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Windows tutorials.